Looking for the best drones of 2023? Well, today we dive into the top choices that have made the cut, with features that are sure to wow drone enthusiasts and novices alike. First up, we have the Sky Voyager Pro. This drone is a beast in disguise. It offers an impressive flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge, which, let's face it, is a dream come true for any drone pilot. The built-in camera captures stunning 4K video, ensuring your aerial footage is nothing short of spectacular. However, the Sky Voyager Pro is not without its downsides. It's on the higher end of the price spectrum and may not be the best choice for beginners due to its complex controls. Next, meet the AeroSwift Compact. As the name suggests, this drone is all about speed and agility. Its compact design allows it to zip through the skies at a top speed of 60 miles per hour. The AeroSwift Compact also boasts obstacle detection and avoidance technology, ensuring a safe flight every time. On the flip side, the camera quality is not as high as other models, capturing video at 1080p, and the flight time is comparatively shorter at 15 minutes. Our third contender is the Pegasus Max. This drone is designed for the more serious drone hobbyists. It offers a flight time of 25 minutes and a range of up to 5 miles. The Pegasus Max also comes equipped with a high-quality camera that captures 4K video. It's noteworthy that this drone requires some experience to handle, and its heavier weight makes it less portable. Finally, we have the NanoFly Ultra. This pocket-sized drone is perfect for those on the go. It's lightweight, easy to use, and offers a decent flight time of 20 minutes. The NanoFly Ultra also comes with a 1080p camera and beginner-friendly controls. However, its small size does limit its flight speed and range. To sum up, the Sky Voyager Pro is perfect for those seeking extended flight time and top-quality footage, while the AeroSwift Compact is a speedster's dream. The Pegasus Max is a solid choice for serious hobbyists, and the NanoFly Ultra is a portable and user-friendly option. Remember, the best drone for you hinges on your specific needs, whether that's speed, camera quality, flight time, or ease of use. We hope this roundup of the best drones of 2023 helps guide you in your quest for the perfect drone. Happy flying!